The question says about the differential pulley block has a load of 180 newtons. So load is indicated by W, and that's equal to 180 newtons, and it is raised by an effort on the input side which is 10 newtons. The number of teeth on the larger block, that is, let's say T1 is the number of teeth, are 12, and T2, that is number of teeth on the smaller block, is 11. Find the velocity ratio. Next is mechanical advantage and efficiency for the following cases. So velocity ratio is expressed as the displacement produced by the input wheel divided by the displacement of the output wheel. So now the displacement of the input wheel is 12, or the number of teeth on the input wheel or the larger wheel, the bigger wheel where the effort that has been applied is 12. Okay. And that is 2 times of T1 by T1 minus T2 it would be. So 2 into T1, T1 is 12 divided by 12 minus 11, and this is equal to 24. Next is mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage is load by effort. So W divided by P, that is 180 by 10, which is 18. And efficiency is given by ratio of mechanical advantage by velocity ratio. So this is 18 by 24, which is 3 by 4, and that's 75 or 0.75, which is 75%.